This is a short video on how to program the QCSE2-600 Wendy's conveyor toaster. First thing you want to do is the toaster is in the off position. You want to turn the toaster on. The toaster is going to go into preheat, and we want to let it warm up. Once it's preheated and gets to the display where it shows a product, we will go ahead and commence with programming. Once the toaster has warmed up, it will come up with the menu item that was last used. The conveyor will be running, and as you can see, the elements are glowing. Just as a note, when the toaster is turned off, the fan and the conveyor motors will continue to run for 5 minutes. The word cool and down will be alternately displayed during that time. After 5 minutes, the word off will be displayed until the off on button is pressed again. Okay, let's go ahead and program the unit. In this, I'm going to use Toast 1 for the example, and we're going to walk through each step and I'll explain what each one is. It must have a menu that you want to change on the display at the time. I'm going to use Toast 1. If you want to change to Toast 2, you press the 2 button. You can go to 3, 4, so on. But like I said, I'm going to press 1. Okay, what we want to do is we want to press and hold the plus and minus button for 3 seconds until the display goes blank. So we hold the up arrow and the down arrow together for 3 seconds. The display will go blank, and then we have T1 on the display with the upper heat light flashing down here and the value for the upper heat. To change the value for the upper heat at this point, we either push the up arrow to increase or the down arrow to decrease. I'm going to go ahead and set it back at 9. And to move on to the next setting, we want to press the Toast 1 button again. So now we're down to Toast 1. We have the value of the bottom heat, which is indicated here. And we want to press, we're going to go ahead and we're going to raise that up to about 9, which is the same. Okay, we've changed that value. We want to advance through the menu again. Remember to press that T1 button again. There we go. The next thing that shows on the display is the speed, which is indicated down here in the bottom with the flashing light. It says conveyor speed. Currently it's at 28. The factory setting for the conveyor speed is going to be, in Toast 1 it should be 90. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to change this and go up to 90. As you can see, the conveyor speeds up to get where we want to be. So we go up to 90. We're at 90. We want to advance to the next thing. We press Toast 1 again. Okay, we're back to Toast 1. We want to save the settings. We press the saver button. That shows auto. It goes back to Toast 1. We've saved the settings we just entered into the unit. Okay, just to recap, we want to change Toast 3. Okay, to recap, if we want to change the setting, we want to do, this time we'll go to Toast 4. Let's change it to Toast 4. We hold the up and down arrows together. So the display goes blank. Okay, it's Toast 4. The upper heat setting is 9. You see the upper heat flashing. We change that value. Okay, we press Toast 4 to advance to the lower heat. That's on 10. We want to change that value. We set it wherever we want. We press the 4 again. We go to the speed. That's 52. Let's say we want to go to 60. We press the up arrow to get to 60. Okay, as you can see down here, it says conveyor speed flashing. We're at 60. We want to save it. We go Toast 4. Get Toast 4. We press the saver button to save. Okay. And we go back to 4. So that is save the program, and that's all there is to programming this toaster.